Hey everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your work experience on your LinkedIn account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the LinkedIn app. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and on the top left corner, tap on your profile icon and go to View Profile. Once you do that, you have to go to Settings, which is on the top right corner. Then it's gonna take a few seconds and on your screen you can see visibility option. Tap on it. Once you tap on visibility option, you have to find edit your public profile option. You have to scroll down and you can see there's options like headline, articles and activity, current experience, details, past experience and details. You have to toggle off the buttons right beside current experience and past experience. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide your experience on your LinkedIn profile. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.